Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wanted to seriously up your trading game by analyzing Nifty options, but felt a little stuck on how to find those charts in TradingView, you're in the perfect place. In this quick step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to access the Nifty option chart right inside TradingView. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to bring up any Nifty options chart you want, anytime with total confidence. Let's dive straight in. So first things first, head over to TradingView. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in TradingView.com. If you're already logged into your account, great. If not, just take a moment to sign in. Logging in isn't strictly required just to view charts, but if you want to set alerts or save your chart layouts later on, it's a good habit to get into. Once you're on the home page, take a look up at the top. You'll notice several menu items. With your mouse, hover over or click on the Products tab. It's right there near the top of the page, usually between Home and Community. Clicking on Products brings up a handy drop-down, giving you access to all of TradingView's features, from charts to screeners and more. For our purpose today, we're interested in accessing the charting platform, which is where all the market action comes to life. Next, focus your attention on the upper left-hand corner of your TradingView platform. You're looking for the symbol search box. Think of it as the Google search bar, but for financial markets. It's sometimes labeled as search or just a magnifying glass icon. Go ahead and click on that search bar. Now type in Nifty. As you type, you'll notice TradingView automatically suggests related instruments like Nifty indices, Nifty futures, and yes, Nifty options. Here's a useful tip. If you only see the index and no options show up, make sure your market filter is set correctly. Sometimes you may need to select futures and options or derivatives depending on your TradingView market data subscription, since not all data from Indian options might be available by default on every account. But in many cases, for the Nifty index, you should see option instruments pop up as soon as you type Nifty. Once you see the Nifty option you want, for example, maybe you're looking for the current week's 18,500 call or put, just give it a click. Immediately, your chart area will update and show you the Nifty options real-time price movement, just like any stock or cryptocurrency. You can apply your favorite indicators, draw trend lines, or compare it with the index. All those usual charting tools work exactly the same. And honestly, that's it. In just a few clicks, you've accessed a powerful tool to help make smarter, faster decisions when trading Nifty options. If it's your first time exploring option charts, take your time, feel free to zoom in, test out drawing tools, or add simple moving averages to see trends. And don't worry if the chart feels a little overwhelming at first. The more you experiment, the more natural it becomes. Thanks so much for watching. If this walkthrough helped you out, hit that like button. And if you run into any hiccups or have questions about other TradingView features, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more trading tutorials just like this. Good luck with your analysis, and I'll see you in the next video.